I was on a mentorship call today, and this guy that I was talking to, he was saying to me, like, oh, I don't want to do this work. I don't want to set the system up. I don't want to, that's why I want to delegate. Listen, you cannot give your shit to an agency unless you've proven the concept yourself. And this is a huge shout out to all business owners out there that think that they can just pay other people to do their stuff and they don't get to do anything and they can just make all the money. Prove the concept. Do you have results? Do you have hundreds of buyers who've bought from you organically over the past couple of months or year? Like, if you don't know your avatar and you don't know what these emotional triggers are that get your audience to buy, how the fuck are you going to give it to an agency and expect them to scale it? They're an agency. They're not as passionate about your business as you are. But if you have prior data, it is easy for us to use our systems, processes, analytical data, and just like overall scope to be able to scale you, okay? There is so many agencies out there that are making us as marketers, giving us a bad name. Like, I don't sell myself as an agency. I sell myself as Jason Wojo because people want to buy from me. They don't want to buy from Wojo Media. They want to buy from me because I'm the personality. I'm the man in charge. I'm the person that people look up to. So when I get on sales calls, people are so excited to talk to me and they know that I have their best interest in mind because I'm not a fucking agency, okay? I'm not here to take your money. I'm not here to take your money just because you want to delegate something. I only work with people who have proven concepts, who have a good personality, who know what hard work and patience actually is, because most business owners, they don't do enough shit. Like, they're just lazy. And the second thing too, they're just too impatient. Like, the first day the ads are running, they're like, oh, why is the lead cost so high? Like, give us some fucking time. The reason why you're worried about the lead cost is because you don't even know your own fucking business model. You expect an agency owner who has no idea what your concept is, your model, your avatar, to somehow come out of the fucking ground like a fucking phoenix and be able to build you a 7-figure business. That's not how shit works out here. And I make these videos and I go hard at the camera because I'm tired of seeing these things in my niche. And people come at me with the, well, this person tried and it didn't work. Well, they were fucking dumb. Like, let's just put it out there. They were dumb. They took your money. You didn't have a proven concept. No wonder why it didn't fucking work, right? So now I'm really just in the phase where I'm just scaling my agency based on proven concepts. If I know that I can scale you to 6 figures a month, I'm going to offer you that possibility. If you don't want to pay for it, that's fine. I got 5,500 people in line waiting for the same opportunity. Now, will all of them take action? Probably not, because that's human nature. But you gotta understand, like, before you start delegating shit, you have to prove the concept yourself. John, who owns an agency who just runs Facebook ads, is not gonna know how to build your funnel, your sales letter, your webinar, your sales process, your systems, your angle, your headline, all these different things for that same price. Like, they're gonna charge more. And then they're gonna outsource to a copywriter, and they're gonna take more time, and like, then they're gonna have to correlate with you if that verbiage is okay. Like, stop trying to delegate shit in the beginning just because you see all these people making money with ads. Prove your concept first, take that data, then give it to an agency to scale you out. Stop being impatient.